Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before I make my infamous fruitcake, let's get together and declutter this kitchen drawer fast. See you in the end. Now we get to this point. How many times do I have a salad? Yeah, I don't use this that often, so we know we can get rid of this. This here is for my barbecue sauce every now and then, and you notice I said every now and then. How often am I using this? Not much. I can't remember the last time I used it. This here is, you guessed it, my beloved wine opener. And here is, I think I do this to grate the orange, which will be great for my fruit cake. And here we are, a mashed potato masher. Yes, I'm not a cook. So someone else that I know that is a great cook can definitely use this masher, getting rid of it. And why do I have like a bunch of not corkscrews, but yeah, these things, I don't need as many, so I'm just gonna go ahead on and just chuck this because I have another one. Or no, you know what, on second thought, I might keep this one. This is like a pretty good one. Man, no, it looks like it's something on it. I don't know what it is. Looks like it's rusted. We'll get rid of it. And here, this holds the taste for stuff. I think this preserves the drinks and everything on top of the wine bottle, so I'm definitely going to keep this. So I have that. Measuring cups, of course, and these funnels. I often use these to pour hot coffee into my cup without spilling it all over the place. And here we are with another opener. I don't need that. We're going to toss that to the side. And here's a pizza cutter. Yes, I do that. Use that every now and again. And here is the beloved can opener. And here is my tea infuser. Wonderful. And my cherries. I love my cherries. I use it to pit. So this is excellent. So we have that all cleared. And this here is just something random that's in here. I don't know if this was holding my water bottle, but look, this is something that we could just pitch over here for now. It's got my straw cleaner and my cute little, these little umbrellas that I found. They're fun. I keep all that kind of stuff over here. And my chestnut cracker. Yes, I do love to crack chestnuts and all of that. So here we go. Now that everything is on the counter, put things up so I can see everything. This here, my pizza cutter. Got to be careful of that. My tea infuser. Actually, that can go up. This right here by my teas that I have, my lovely teas. So I'll put them where the teas are. And then I have, let's see, my can opener right there. My cherry. My cherry right there. My wine openers there. Boom, boom. There we go. A much neater drawer because I've eliminated stuff that I really don't use. And remember, we use the mixers. We put those where the cake plate and the mixer is in the bottom drawer, which alleviates the space of items that we don't use regularly. There we go. There we go. So you see, I'm going to use my hand mixer. Immediately, I know where it is. And guess what? Look at that. Right here, ta-da, it's all in one place. Now we come to where the bowls are. Here's my strainer. And also here are the bowls that I'm going to use for the delicious fruitcake. So everything's in the place. And you see that crock pot? I haven't used it yet. It's winter, but don't need it just yet. Okay, so here we go, trying the infamous fruitcake that I made. I know it's kind of ugly, but you saw the pictures. But this is all natural ingredients, and it's not my recipe, by the way. I actually borrowed this from Simply Recipes, and I'll share that link in the show notes in case you're interested. My fruitcake and I are always the brunt of the jokes in my family, because I always tease them and say, you know what, you're not going to get any of this fruitcake. And they're like, all right. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Mmm. A little baddies ASMR there. This is good. If I might say so myself, to not be a cook. Mm-hmm. Wonderful. And so I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I hope that I would love to know what you think in the comments about your own kitchen drawer and how you organize that drawer. I am really interested because remember, it's all about function and all about my battery cut off, and I want to make sure you could hear me. But I am so interested in hearing how you created a functional space in your kitchen. Are the things that you use daily, are they easily accessible, or do you go looking for stuff hysterically? I'm really interested to hear, and if I can help in any way, let me know. And until next time, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And if you liked this video, please feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll know whenever I post a new video. I do post weekly, so you don't want to miss out on the latest declutter tips. But until next time, happy fruit caking. And that was tacky. But happy holidays to you, and I will talk with you later. Bye for now.